Hey everyone, I'm Dave, and today we're making a Moroccan lamb burger with green harissa sauce. Let's get started. Okay, harissa is a staple of Moroccan cooking, normally done with dried chilies. We're gonna actually roast some poblano and jalapeno peppers today, give them a nice smoky char for great extra flavor. I love doing that in a lot of things I cook. It's a secret ingredient I throw in. I guess not so secret anymore. But we're gonna give a nice char all over to those. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna get the lamb ready. We're gonna throw in some minced garlic and parsley. And we're gonna mix this all up. Don't be afraid to get dirty. Just wash your hands after touching the raw meat. And we're gonna split this pound into 1/3 patties. Okay, these are charring up nice. We're just gonna kind of keep flipping them so we get the char on all sides. Move some of these jalapenos over here where it's a little hotter. This poblano looks perfect. We're gonna set that on this side. Okay, so we've let the peppers sit kind of steaming in there for about 20 minutes. If you look, the skin is just falling off. So we're gonna peel off all the skin, dice these up, and get ready to make our sauce. All right, the peppers are all chopped up. We're gonna dump those into our blender here. Those smell amazing. I'm gonna get all that in there. We're gonna do our parsley. Our cilantro. Green onion. Mint. Our minced garlic and cumin, and we're gonna mix that all up with our olive oil as well, and a little salt. Okay, so now we're just gonna blend this up. Fantastic. Just gonna add another little pinch of salt there. Oh, the jalapenos give a nice punch. This is gonna be so good with our burger. That looks outstanding. Okay, the sauce, which is really good, nice little kick with jalapenos. I'm gonna add a little lemon to it as well. That'll give you that little acid as well as cut through the heat a little bit for you. That is good. All right, now we'll set this back here. We're gonna get our burgers going. They're nice 1/3 pound burgers. We're gonna first oil up the grill. Get these burgers right down here. And then we're gonna form our patty a little bit more. These smell incredible already. Just that garlic and that nice lamb flavor. They'll sit for about 5 to 6 minutes. We'll give them a flip another about 5 minutes, and we'll be ready to plate our burger. Okay, the burgers are ready for a flip. Beautiful char on that from the plancha. It's gonna be about 5 minutes on the other side, and this will be done. I threw some butter on to melt with a little garlic and a little salt and pepper as well. Gonna put that on our naan as I kind of just crisp this up a little bit. So we'll throw the naan on here to just kind of get a little toast to it. Those smell incredible right now. Now we're gonna put on our lovely harissa sauce. It's got quite a nice little punch for us. The fat in the lamb burger will help. And then on top, we're gonna top it off with a little bit of feta to also help with the cheese cut through a little of that heat of the harissa sauce. Those look incredible. I cannot wait to dive in for a bite. I'm doing it now. So I'm just gonna fold this over. Oh my. Outstanding. The spice, the richness of the lamb Every time I eat lamb, I wonder why I don't eat more. This is outstanding. These were outstanding. Such a fun cook. You got to give these a try. Thanks again for joining me. I'm Dave. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Let me know what you want to see cooked next. Be happy to do it. Have a great day, everyone. And remember, spread love through barbecue.